17,000 बहुत ज़्यादा पैसे हैं, ठीक है. And yeah, I belong from a middle class family, so I really know about that. Okay, but recently, if you are trying to go abroad, you can skip IELTS and TOEFL. Particularly for USA, मैं कह रहा हूँ, ठीक है, you can skip IELTS and TOEFL. You can just go for DET. It's just 5,000 rupees. Like थोड़ा ज़्यादा, but it's basically वही है. Now, in this video, we'll go over how to save money for a particular test, ठीक है, for especially with the English proficiency ones, ठीक है. A lot of tests होते हैं, IELTS, TOEFL, PTE, DET, ठीक है, and there is Cambridge का अलग से भी होता है, ठीक है. But the cheapest option is DET, and guess what, it works. Like ऐसा नहीं है कि a lot of students think that अगर मैंने DET दिया तो मेरा वीज़ा कैंसिल हो जाएगा या वीज़ा अप्रूव नहीं हुआ, बट वैसा कुछ नहीं होता, ठीक है. So what matters is the acceptance letter, तुम्हें क्या मिल रहा है, and how you're talking to the visa officer particularly. Now honestly, IELTS 2 से 3 घंटे लगते हैं मिनिमम. DET takes just 1 hour and less than that actually. मैंने खुद DET दिया है, so I know the experience. It's very easy, ठीक है, and relief मिलता है, like 1 घंटे में हो जाए and it's fine, like चलो ठीक है, it's okay. I got 155 out of 160, so ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने बहुत ख़राब स्कोर किया. So and yeah, it's like I booked from Arno, so I got a 10% discount. I have made a separate video on DET में कैसे 150 plus मिल सकता है तुम्हें, so click that here, ठीक है. And what it took is basically वहाँ मेरे तो 5,080 रुपये मिले थे, ठीक है. So like for registering and that's all, ठीक है. So I just made 2 pages का notes. I started practice for DET like 2 या 3 दिन पहले स्टार्ट किया था DET को प्रैक्टिस करके, उसके बाद दे दिया था, and it's like it's easy. So yeah, that's all. If you have any doubts regarding तुम्हारा university is approving DET or not, they have a list on their website. You can check that out here as well. ठीक है. And yeah, there is no problem with visa, so relief हो जाओ. DET practice and Arno are the 2 best resources, ठीक है. This is from my personal advice. मैंने खुद DET दिया है, इसलिए मैं कह रहा हूँ, ठीक है. And both of them free है. Like I have not spent any money on DET practice or Arno, but they have really really good resources. So that's all, ठीक है. And because DET के इतने सारे फायदे हैं, it seems like a no-brainer to then go for that instead of IELTS and TOEFL. And yeah, I guess that's all. If you are an undergrad, ठीक है, and if you don't have any ख्वाब like हाँ UK में पढ़ना है, हाँ इटली में पढ़ना है, जर्मनी में पढ़ते हैं, फ्री एजुकेशन है, see guys, please go for USA because the main reason is that USA में 100% demonstrated नहीं देता है, ठीक है. And even if a lot of universities say कि हाँ फ्री एजुकेशन है यहाँ पे, पब्लिक यूनिवर्सिटी है, फ्री का पैसा नहीं देगा एक्सेट्रा, you also have to pay for rent, housing, food and a lot of other miscellaneous things in Germany, Italy and round of European universities and also in UK, ठीक है. So UK में तो मिलता नहीं है ज़्यादा, ठीक है, scholarships, so undergrad के लिए particularly. And for USA, if you are getting to a college of 100% demonstrated need, you are more likely to get a lot of scholarships, like at least हो जाता है, ठीक है. And if you are wondering कि कौन से colleges हैं जो 100% देते हैं, we have a list, Excel sheet made. It's free to like open to access. It's on our website. On the home page, just scroll down and just click on the download thing, ठीक है. So तुम्हारा वो आ जाएगा. And yeah, मैंने वो Excel sheet मैंने खुद बनाया, ठीक है. So yeah, it's less likely to have any faults in that. So there are 40 plus colleges in there which offer 100% financial aid, ठीक है. मतलब अगर तुम उसमें घुस गए, you are these colleges will meet 100% of your demonstrated need, ठीक है. Demonstrated need, that is the major thing, ठीक है. So technically तुम्हें poor होना पड़ेगा if you are wanting 100%, but yeah, it's basically वही सारे most of the English are poor, ठीक है. Generalized opinion, don't take it to the heart. And anyways, we have a community for Abroad for Better Future. If you are someone interested in studying abroad after 12, so definitely join our community because it's very helpful, ठीक है. Like genuinely, we have bi-weekly newspapers with e-newspapers with like important info about studying abroad. We have monthly discussions. Sometimes we clear out doubts within 24 hours of our participants within the group. It's a pure support community. Like we are not counselors. We are just like you, the students who are applying for USA, and हम लोग बस help करना चाहते हैं. We are not earning any money from it. It's free to join, and the link is in the description. Just scroll down and click on it, fill it up, and we'll return back in like 6-9 hours. Anyways, so that's all. Comment कर देना if you have any doubts regarding anything, and like this video, subscribe to our channel, and अभी के लिए कितना ही था, अभी के लिए अच्छा.